The carbon dioxide laser, which is very, very good for the woman health. So I think this model is useful for your market and for your business. And now I have collected some material, some documents to show the background why the Garni mode will be innovated. And then I will show you one video which our company have made this video to show how the mode, how this part of the mode be work, and I will explain the video. Because my English is not very good, so I'm afraid I can't to copy the material, recopy the material. So I want to read it for you. And please to listen to me. Women's virginal relaxation, if it seriously affects your normal life and work, if you are young and the virginal is loose, then you should pay attention. Because virginal relaxation will not only affect the relationship between husband and wife, but also bring about various gynecological disasters. So when I saw this, I really feel very terrible and very, very horrible, and I'm afraid of this. In several cases, it will also cause urinary incontinence. The private parts will not be well nourished, and the parents will begin to age. According to the survey, 80% to 90% of women over the age of 30 have varying degrees of vaginal relaxation, dryness, pain, low intestine, and so on. With the development of biomedical engineering technology, a new technology for the laser treatment of relaxation has emerged. So this is the background why the Garni mode would be innovated, and then I will put one video for you. Please help me to put this video. Thank you. Okay, now we can see it. Laser stimulates the proliferation and remodeling of the collagen fibers in tissues in a non-invasive terminal mode, promotes the reconstruction of the pelvic floor microcirculation, and accelerates cell rejuvenation, thereby improving vaginal relaxation in women. Symptom: the treatment mechanism is related to the biological effect of laser on tissue. After CO2 laser irradiates the vaginal mucous tissue, the local temperature rises rapidly and the vaporization occurs. The superficial exfoliation of the local tissue is only 75 to 100 mm, and the terminal penetration is deep, reaching 600 to 300 millimeters. The collagen of the vaginal mucosal tissue will be heated a certain extent, which will promote the contraction of these fibers, increase the production of collagen and the extracellular matrix, and increase the thickness of the vaginal epithelium, thereby improving the firmness and the elasticity of the tissue at the treatment site. So now you can certainly know the Garni mode was very useful for the business and for the customers. And now I want to invite also, please help us to show how this mode works. I want to see. Do you want to see it? Okay, thank you so much. Above all, we have done. There is all about the operation demonstration of this machine and the corresponding indications, different modes. There's all okay. And now I want to tell you another advantage of our machine. Oh, yes. 或者如果我忘了的话，就当我走到这边，就是让那个 李楠哈桑过来操作这个头子的时候，这个女性健康的头子的时候就可以关了。对，没事，我没关系，我都会跟你说的，没关系。我拿个笔过来吧，如果有什么情况，我们及时写下来。Okay. And if we talk about the carbon dioxide laser, I want to show you why choose our machine. Because there are two main options you must be mentioning is there are two tubes can make this CO2 carbon dioxide laser. And one is water cooling glass tube, another is the air-cooled metal tube. And our machine, beef lasers machine, carbon dioxide laser machine, is equipped with the air-cooled metal tube with ceramic components. Okay, and now I want to explain why we choose the air-cooled metal tube to build our machine. And I want to show you a picture. Please help me to show the picture. Thank you. Okay, you can see the picture is dummy. The left one is a glass tube. The right one is metal tube. And why we choose the air-cooled metal tube is the need for a water cooling system also presents some significant safety concerns. The DC power supplies that can excite the CO2 gas in a glass laser tube need to reach at very high supplies, very high voltages. I'm so sorry. When you combine such levels of voltage with a water cooling system, if something goes wrong, the result can be laser. And first, now I will explain the advantages and the compare. And now I will compare these two tubes to show you. First, glass is much fragile than metal, right? And the risk of damage during the treatment, during the shipment, and the installation is greater. Beef lasers metal and ceramic air-cooled CO2 laser tubes are air-cooled, and the gas is excited by the radio frequency alternating current. And the second, I will to show you some numbers. The first is没事，可以，本来就打算在15的时候结束，行，可以。
太辛苦了，做好状态。如果慢慢互动或者干嘛的，时间长了，你自己忙，整个人也会累的。
是的，我准备去吃个糖。
可以，我说你帮你。
好，
结束吧。
这边所有的
Sorry，
没事。
我以为断了，你断了没事。
我也以为断了。
断倒没事，要想个办法在上面，你别弄个502叫他们交粘一下。没事，我以为你发开。
你来就喜欢入镜。
不是，你看这两面，这两面还暗吗？
暗。
这两面还暗。
这样子看的，刚刚那个上面效果还挺好的。
这个调过色的。
对，这个好，这个不好。它阿里的天生的那个是不好吗？
要
我那手机吗？
不
要吧。
他没说要有那个。
就是那可以，那不要最好。
这干嘛了？这是干嘛了？
我不知道。
这是干嘛了？
他跟人互动用的。